Hello YouTube. Recently I have come across with some UI design trend called I think it's called neumorphism. Some people call it soft UI, but I think the name is neumorphism here. I found it quite interesting. I don't know how useful is it, but today I'm gonna show you how to create something like this in UIKit. So let's do it. The theory behind this is pretty simple. Is basically you have a card. The background color is same as the main background color, and you use two shadow to make this card pop like I don't know, it feels like more plasticky, and it's just like a card, and then you have something behind it, so it like a pop up. So what we have to do is we have to create this kind of shadow, and let me show you. So I created this simple project. It has nothing in it. It's just have a UI view controller, and then I create some colors. So the background color, the two shadow colors with dark appearance supported, and I got some good old extension just make my life easier. And oops, sorry, I think this is too all right, okay, let me make it bigger. Okay, so you can see now, and I got a preview right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a new class called neumorphic view. It's called neumorphic, yeah. And it's a UI view, and gonna override those inits, some oops, some boilerplate. Maybe create it first, and let's see, I'm gonna use auto layout, so I'm gonna do the transform translate auto remasking. I'm gonna make it false. All right, so this is going to be our neumorphic view, and I will create this here. So let's neumorphic view is a neumorphic, and let me create it first. Okay, set up. So we're gonna add this view in here, and I'm gonna place it in the middle. So give it a padding, like a horizontal padding of 32, and gonna center it to the view. Center Y. This is just some extension I wrote before to do the auto layout. You can check out my old video for that. Set up view. Let's see, let's resume it. And so far we got nothing. Let me give a height. It's maybe 64. We got nothing because we don't have any background color yet. So once I put the background color, I think you will see a red rectangle right here in front of you, right here. All right, so we have to make this, I don't know, neumorphic. The first thing we have to do is I create some, see this background color. So I'm going to use this background like a shade of white, and the point is when we look at these pictures here, we have the card with some corner radius, and the background color is same as the main background color. So this is what we are gonna do. If I can return to my thing, okay. So in this view, we gonna use this background color. It's green because this background color is from my extension right here. So you can see it's it's not totally white, bluish white here. My background color is, my neumorphic background color is the same. Okay, now you don't see anything, so let me put it back to red. The point is we have to make this color to can I make it bigger? Yeah, I think so. Okay, we need to make this view using the same background color, and we have to put some shadow here and around this. So we need two shadow. We need a dark one and we need a light one. I'm gonna create some corner radius first, because I'm gonna reuse it all the time. And we are going to use lazy far. We're gonna create a dark CA layers first. This will help us to create a shadow. Okay, so maybe I call it layer. Yeah, I think I can call it no, maybe I just call it dark shadow. So same naming convention. To make this shadow, we are going to put some, see the dark shadow is is behind this shape and is underneath here. If you can see this, we need to create a shadow around here. Okay. One thing you have to keep in mind is the shadow doesn't use auto layout, and if we can add the shadow right here, but we cannot make the shape. I mean, once you know, when we use auto layout, your shape, your view will like shrink or expand due to your screen size, right? So but CA layer doesn't work that way. It needs a frame. But I'm gonna show you how to do that. We just insert it. Let's just put some shadow color inside there, maybe. Okay, I'm gonna create the shadow color, and is going to use my dark shadow color that I create before, and I want it with alpha components, maybe 0.5. I don't know, we will test it, and it's gonna be a CG color. Okay, and after we done that, we have the color, and we need to let's see, we need offset, shadow offset. So I'm gonna maybe 10 and 10, and the opacity is shadow opacity. Well, I think you can set this opacity right here. I'm gonna use 1, and shadow radius, like how far it will blur out, and you don't see anything yet because this shadow doesn't have a frame, so the frame is 0. But see, we cannot we can simply use the frame right here, but I'm not gonna do this. Since we use lazy far, we suppose we can get the frame from the bonds here, but I'm not gonna do this because when you sometimes you rotate the phone, and maybe you how to say that, when you rotate the phone and your shape change, your size, your bonds change, this won't reflect it. So we're gonna override one method called layout subviews. So whenever your layout change, this layout subview function will get called, and then you will do this frame right here. So a better way to do it is, I'm gonna put this frame right here. So every time we calculate the frame and give it this new frame, and I don't know why I have to put this. I have to give this shadow a background color with our background color. Yeah. All the layer, you need to use CG colors. Let's see. Oh, see, we got this shadow here. I don't know if I can use clear here. I don't know why I have to put this background color in order for it to work, but this is how it's supposed to be. Maybe because I don't have any shade, that's why. Anyway, oh, I can use, oh no, see, I have to use this same background color. And in order to make it work better, I have the dark mode right here. See, it won't work if you use if you predefine your background color inside this function. I think it's due because when you in dark mode, it will calculate, it will call this layout subview, again. So what I have to do is I have to change this to like everything that I want to, like it will get changed. I have to put it inside my layout subviews here, and then it works. See the shadow is weird too, but it looks fine in this white one, like the light theme, and now it works. So we got this dark shadow working, and we're missing this light one. The light one is pretty much the same, but just different colors. So I would just oh, and I need a corner radius too. Yeah. So I'm gonna do this corner 15, and I have to put this corner radius to the shadow as well. Oh no, I just use this corner radius. Yeah, because I don't want to hard code it. I want to be able to change this. All right. So, and the light one is pretty much the same. We make another one, light shadow. Miss this. The difference is the light shadow will use different background color, and also the shape will be different. Oh, why is this red here? Oh, because I have this view background as red. Okay. When we use the shadow offset, see we have for the dark one we have 10 and 10, so the shadow is kind of will shine from here, and then like 45-degree like this, 10 pixels. This is how that works. I don't know how to say it, but the light one is in the opposite direction, right? So we have to maybe put it in the opposite, like -5 and -5, so it will pop up here and pop up there. And then the color, obviously the color is will be different. Now we are not giving it any color, so we have to do this the same thing but with the light shadow. Here we go. Okay. All right, come on. Sorry, we didn't add it. Gonna insert it to 0. Then you can just simply add it. Well, see, after we done that, you see the new shadow pop up here. See, we don't have this. We didn't have this shadow, and now we do. Oh, okay. So once we change this light shadow, and I like it more solid, so I think I will use 0.9. See, here we go. So we got this Neumorphic view. Now it looks cool. See, in the dark mode it looks kind of rubbery, but I think it's cool. And I think I will make another one with like, how to say that, with an inner shadow. See, now this is a outer shadow. The view actually looks pop up. I want to make another view that is cave in. so you can use it as a maybe a text field or something, or maybe a button. When you push it, it goes in. It's kind of cool. So I think that's it for today. I will see you next time. Bye bye.